iDiski Times, now available in stores around the country.
iDiskiTV powered by World Sports Betting, iDiskiTimes.co.za. TS Galaxy, Kaizer Chiefs on Sunday at 3 p.m. Both teams have drawn and lost and won. Both teams have the same result in the last 3 matches. 1 win, 1 loss, and 1 draw as well. And interestingly as well, both Kaizer Chiefs and TS Galaxy have drawn 0-0 against Chippa United so far this season. The season that's only 2 weeks old. It's Kaizer Chiefs versus TS Galaxy. Junior Khanye, our analyst. What do you make of the game, sir?
Yeah, ngikule kuma brother kunjani
Yes,
mfethu. Ngikubulisa justice.
Just.
Obvious. Yeah. Lengwenya ethe visitor lela.
General.
Benedict wona ngemboni mhlambi ingwenya seyiphumile. Bafethu kunjani, keep on supporting iDiskiTV, fighting no one try to fix South African football. Yeah, it takes Galaxy, truly speaking. I haven't watched them this season. I need to be honest. The last time I see them last season, a coach le yabo le I'm anhle kahle ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi what he's trying to do. And ngibona ichairman in a faith kuye. He's an international coach. My expectations are high for good coach. Yes, Nyambona is trying always ukuthi azama ukuthi build up adlala ibhola, but his team doesn't score goals. But bane inking of consider now each and every game. And most of the players there ngibona usadlala ngama player lawa last season and kuluza unyama. I'm sure they've lost equality. Question ukuthi ubani uye occupy that space. No, Obas as well. Ngikhuluma nga main players. Obas umuntu bekadlala la embizeni. Yes, banombunjana couple of players, but I don't think those 2 players for kulama player lawo ngibona list yabo, especially njobe window period beyivulile ku transfer. Basana ama player ngwaziyo ngoba all the players abasanile ngibona amanuni mina. I'm not sure about those players what they can offer. Truly speaking, coach for me is improve himself. Ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi uzama ukwenzani. Ngiyambona ingwenye is building at the back. Last time uthi South Africa siyakhuluma nje kuphela. We don't know what's football. Ngikhuluma ngala season. So now I think it's a chance where Pangimbona is tested against the team that started the preseason as been a good preseason. And also as a first official game bebangana starting 11 bazukuthi winner. Also amasapa sebenchini sub that ungathi i4. I know they will change the complexion of the game irrespective of the game whether will be side. And the trophies came against Chippa, they lost their second game. And truly speaking, it came about this relay, which it was a cup. They won, I believe me, they were so fortunate. Angabi convinced ngabo. Many players lapana ngisasho namanje players that Kaizer Chiefs have signed. Those are the players that you can't rely on them. Yes, ngifuna ukumbona uCastillo. Ngiyayinika ichize ukuthi ngayiwina le game because man buya ku momentum win. Ikhona this thing ukuthi nida this thing winning ukuthi yazini winning mentality. We believe singayiwina game. Ingayiwina le game but not with many goals. If you win, is if Kaizer Chiefs is gonna win the game 1-0 or possibility ye 1-1 ikon. It's a draw which is winning the game. Ngoba TS Galaxy now among I check on the defense yabo. Baluze no good men nalomfana Msimang. As well as went to, if not mistaken. Yes, ngibamluzile they went to Kaizer Chiefs. Their defense as ngisho players engibabone bawusayina. Those are players ama unknown angazi ukuthi bangenzani. And truly speaking for me mangicheck iChiefs ngayiwina le game ngalento ukuthi okay we are confident we are going. Those win ugly win, it's a win. 3 point, it's a 3 point. Obvious bengasi league bekwemthenate they bawinile ba confident enough. But TS Galaxy ngibonile game yabo le babuya kuyo. I was not still convinced. Yes, the coaching ngiyayibona njoba ngisho build up at the back. I want to see ukuthi ufuna ukwenzani angatholi. So iKaizer Chiefs ngayiwina le game 1-0 or it could possibility of it draw 1-1 ikona.
All right, World Sports Betting, WSB.co.za if you want to put your money and bet on that particular fixture as well. Last fixture that we'll talk about with Junior Khanye is Mamelodi Sundowns visiting in PE against Chippa United. Chippa United, the owner and the coach are feeling confident. They are saying that they're confident that they will do something against Mamelodi Sundowns. Morgan Mamela is speaking game, is building his players' confidence. However, we do know that they are facing the best team in the country by far. Sundowns turned their game against Golden Arrows into nothing more than just a training session. It was all over within the first half. In the first half, it was 3-0. It could have been 4 were it not for a disallowed goal incorrectly by a linesman. Junior Khanye, Chippa United, Mamelodi Sundowns. Sir.
Yeah, I know ukuthi Morgan did very well. Yeah, did very well. But truly speaking, masengikhuluma nje iqiniso. Ngifuna ukubona more from him. I understand ushilo with pound to pound Pirates players and his players, they are the same. No, I think the plan that beloku coach ku Pirates the quality is not the same when you compare Pirates and Chippa. Now he's going to truly speak the team that nobody in DStv Premiership can come close when it comes to quality. Yes, Pirates ikon ukuthi ngayinike benefit of the doubt good they've got a number of player number. I can't say the whole team, the whole squad. But Mamelodi Sundowns in all angles, on the stand, on the bench, they've got the quality players playing with identity, philosophy club. Yayisutha lama player la basayina ama player because of philosophy. I understand monga checka the baqala igame yabo kuqala. Truly speaking bengathi they about 3-4 games already. Credit to whoever physical trainer yabo ngikhuluma ngabo pre-season they have match fitness players. Rivaldo being expected Magabu if Rivaldo was injured the whole season last year. He came now ngibone ngendlela adlale ngayo first game besikhatha thule red card. He did very well. Unfortunately got the red card. Second game bese ngathi badlala igame 11 or 12 against Kaizer Chiefs if not mistaken. Very fluid. Lucky Kaizer Chiefs not to concede so many goals. Shalile was not on. Bengasi ngengithi bengasi langa like he missed so many chances. Against Swallows didn't play very well, but they won the game. Swallows ngibonile lapho compare wenze difficult for Rulan. I think Rulan was tested. Usebenzile naye and wamtesta and then he had to answer Steve naye. Truly speaking, they won because of equality ku Swallows. Party game number 3 outclassed Golden Arrows. It looks like a training session. Bengathi by 7 against 11. Not even 9, 7 against 11. There's no team that will beat them. Truly speaking, they are themselves who can beat themselves. The only team that can beat them, Mamelodi Sundowns, coaches by making a lot of mistakes. But truly speaking, the way understanding between players and coaches, because control the tempo of the game. A question with Chippa United. Because Chippa, yes, Morgan can say as much as he can. Credit to him when he plays Orlando Pirates, but at this time, I don't think he can even compete with Sundowns.
Competition?
Yeah, 3. Ingaba khona 3-0. I don't see Chippa United scoring a goal here. 3-0, yes, he can. 3-0, 2-0, yes, Sundowns is gonna score 3 goals and 2-0. Banendlela ukora. And Morgan angeke azabe nema answer. He's going to come to this game. I don't think uzofuna ukuthi aba match njengoba yenzile koLorlando Pirates. With Sundowns ngeke khona ukuba match. Uzoba ne plan yokuthi how I'm going to beat them or ngibavimba kanjani, not beating them.
All right, there you go. It's going to be a full weekend of fixtures to DStv on YouTube. We'll cover Orlando Pirates tomorrow in the CAF Champions League at 2:30. And then at 8 p.m., Mamelodi Sundowns, of course, the match we've just spoken about, will take on Chippa United. And then on Sunday at 3 p.m., we have Kaizer Chiefs visiting Mbombela Stadium against the TS Galaxy as well. Remember, you can go to the website wsb.co.za. We're sponsored, of course, by World Sports Betting. It's a betting company. With the matches that we're talking about, you can go and bet on them. wsb.co.za. DStv, Times, World Sports Betting. Thank you for watching us.